Did you know that satellites can detect cow burps from space? Yes, you heard it right. These burps release methane, a potent greenhouse gas, and satellites track this to monitor climate change. It's like having a cosmic nose sniffing out Earth's gassy secrets. This quirky ability helps scientists understand how livestock farming impacts our atmosphere. By mapping methane emissions, satellites provide crucial data to tackle climate change. So next time you see a cow, remember, its burp might just be under satellite surveillance. Like, comment, and subscribe for more surprising stories like this.